Hey guys, what's up and welcome to DSD. This is S. Darnesh bringing you content compact, tech talks, and reviews. Let's get started.
Content compact tech talks and
Content
reviews.
compact, tech talks, content compact, tech talks, and reviews. I had been saying that too much that I finally realized to ask myself, what is tech? What is technology? The word technology came from a Greek word technologia, where techno means art and craft, logia means a subject of study. So it actually means study of art and craft. Now, technology means the application of scientific knowledge. Any application of scientific knowledge is technology, not just smartphones, laptops, or other 21st century stuffs. Everything from VR and AR to forks and spoons are tech. To truly understand technology, let's travel back to meet our ancestors. Let me take this opportunity to thank my subscribers for subscribing, and for those who haven't, please do, it is much appreciated. Behind every technology created, there's always a purpose. To feed the need of warmth, they had to find fire. By just hitting two stones to make fire, started the spark of technology to this very date. That was the first scientific knowledge for the humankind. You get the idea, right? Now let's talk about where are we headed with technology. There are just infinite possibilities to where technology can lead humanity. Hopefully Genesis and Judgment Day is not our future. With the Internet of Things, IoT, every technology will be connected and controlled by just your phone or your watch. Talking about controlling technologies, there will be a point where humanity and technology will merge to form a new generation. Technology can easily be controlled just by thinking about it. Humanity will be able to colonize Mars or even Proxima b, which is the nearest potential habitable planet. Even that is 4.2 light years away. A light year is the distance light can travel in 1 year. The light speed is approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. Imagine running around the equator of the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. It's that fast. So how far can light travel in a year time? If you could run 7.5 times around the equator in just 1 second, imagine how far can you run in a year. It's 9 trillion kilometers. If you take a photograph of Proxima b right now, it would already be 4.2 years old, because the light from Proxima b will take 4.2 years to reach Earth. With technology merging with humans, the human mind will expand exponentially, and creating a light speed engine or a teleportation device won't be in the far future. This is just a dream of how the future could be, and only the future generations can make this come true. To my respected leaders, parents, brothers and sisters, this world is not inherited from our ancestors, but borrowed from our successors. With that in mind, it is our responsibility to return this world to our successors as it was when it came to us, or even better. With that said, this is S. Darnish from DSD, signing off.